In this video, I will show you my current progress on this project. This is my third video in this series, but this is not my third day on this project. I started this project in May last year. It is so simple. I'll show you. On my desktop, there is only one folder called AI, and I have this Stark command center. There are different departments here: content and community, my agentic workflows for youth product development, for voice AI development, for AI agency operations, business, my client management, team management, market research, sales intelligence, then my financial operations. I'm building this for almost a year now. If you see inside it, like simple way of working on a laptop, right? This is how you work on any project. So in content, we have like content and community one-on-one coaching. In ideas, I have different .md files. Then email, I have already sent. LinkedIn post, I have already done. School post, this is my cohort. This is my CMS. I'm still working on it. This is my content creation, personal branding, content ideas, medium blogs, my school education courses, LinkedIn post, my long form YouTube content. This is my current project for YouTube. So you see there's lots of depth into this ecosystem. Then my AI SDR, and I can perform WebPgo high level operations for me directly from here. As you see, this is simple, right? Everything is on my laptop. And if I just put it on my Google Drive or Apple Drive, it will stay with me. Even if I change the laptop, my data will always with me. Now I'll show you how it looks into anti-gravity, which is my AI workspace. What I have to do is, I'll go to File, I'll click on Open Folder, then click on my main folder and open it. And now I see all those files here. Now I can read those .md files. I operate this thing from here. I have .gemini md and my Claude. This is my Claude Code. This is my anti-gravity. Both of them are working within these folders. This is what I call a command center. If you want this, I can convert this into a prompt and give to you inside my school community. You just use that prompt and give it to anti-gravity, and it will create all these folders or whatever you want. Or you just create a new folder and start from basics, get some ideas from my videos or whatever folder structure you already have, right? Now what I want is, I want to operate this ecosystem from my phone. That's why I hooked OpenClaw. I'll show you previous conversion. In video 1, I spent entire day on Telegram and it did not work the way I want. So I told you that now I'll move to anti-gravity and finish this task. And I use Gemini and all other tools to work on my thumbnail, my description and things. If I don't have a centralized system, my sessions within OpenClaw are like a waste of time for me. That's why I use command center here in anti-gravity. And this is what I give it the first prompt. Go through all the sessions with main agent in .openclaw workspace and tell me what I was doing. That's why I show you these folders and other relevant locations inside your MacBook. This is how I use them in my prompts. What it did, it analyzed that folder from my main sessions and it goes through everything. Then it's keep going through. This was the summary. Looking at the output of the session queries, it appears the user has been having a chat conversation via Telegram. Here are the activities the user was doing. This is where I started recording my first video. Good morning, let's start the Monday. So captures all my messages really well. It keep going on. It uses some scripts. Then it's, I don't know what was that. Then I stopped it. What did you find? This is what it found. Pillar 1, YouTube video production and review. Drafting the OpenClaw transcript. Analyzing the token burn problem and forgetting context issue. Discussing alternatives. Pillar 2, content strategy and automation workflows. Requesting competitor analysis. Planning the next video. setting up a continuous research workflow for daily short form content ideas for the AI avatar, Google Workspace integration, system troubleshooting and agent file access. Then it initiated a persistent memory protocol task. It finds some issues. Then I realized the mistake I made when I manually opened that opencloud.json. That's where second video started, when I deleted everything and installing it from scratch with the latest version. Then I said, okay, I have already uploaded the video on YouTube. This is the link. Let's start spreading it today on LinkedIn, school, and newsletter. Just give me this. Write my LinkedIn post, school post, a newsletter. And it was that simple. This is what I wanted from it. And it matches with what I wanted to convey, not like a random or generic AI output which OpenClaw was giving me. I just used them. Then I asked it to create an image for this. It uses Gemini 3.1 Flash Image Nano Banana prompt itself and created this. And I didn't like it. I started analyzing what I did with Telegram. Based on my conversation on Telegram sessions, what workflows I discussed with Tony, give me a list of all the processes, ideas, and strategies shared by me to Tony. You can analyze Tony responses too, but I need those workflows, categories based on use cases and end outcomes. That entire day was just a brainstorming kind of a day. And based on my experience with the OpenClaw, I wanted to extract all the processes so that I can break it down further or assign sub-agents. Now I can use this information for process mapping. It is reverse, by the way. Like, you have all the process mapping on step 1, then you create automation. But this is kind of a vibe building. It was just an idea in my head when I was driving, and it keeps building from there. Back to our analysis. Here's the complete breakdown of the workflows, process, ideas, and strategies you have shared with Tony across your sessions, categorized by use case and end outcomes. First is the video repurposing and distribution engine. Perfect. This is what I wanted. And in that, the clip extraction workflow, the trailer strategy, the centralized hub, video distribution.md, right? Then lead generation and the 3-tier CTA strategy, which I explained: join my school, OpenClaw mastery playbook, full YouTube video access, competitor intel and daily ideation, the continuous research workflow, the AI news broadcast idea, the SEO optimization process. Perfect. Autonomous AI operation, the master agent architecture, the chief of staff strategy, which is Tony Stark, and then sub agents like Natasha, Steve, Peter, Panther we created in last video. The hands-free rule, like I just want to use my phone. So these are the details. Then I want automated video and graphic generation, because I'm doing everything alone in this video series. I'm not a video editor, I'm not a thumbnail designer, I'm an engineer, right? But I want to use this command center to do what I don't do best, like thumbnail designing and things. But I know what I want. And same thing I do with my editors also. I think, okay, do this, or this is not working, and it is taking a lot of time. But again, it's good. Now if I create my version from here and my editor start working from there, it's a different outcome. AI and human collectively are making magic happens. But right now, okay, I'll stick to just using this command center, OpenClaw, anti-gravity. Let's see if we need to use the Claude Coders. For that, automated video and graphics generation, generate high quality visual assets natively within the CLI without opening heavy software. I don't want to use any software. I just want to use LLM capabilities like image generation and this remotion workflow. I already have it. My anti-gravity is already doing which I want to do with OpenClaw. These are just folders with instructions, right? The idea I'm getting from this experiment is, why don't I have AI employees like sub-agents from OpenClaw living inside workspaces? I'll share this command center with OpenClaw, and OpenClaw have specialized employees in particular folders. I don't know, maybe overcomplicating it, but it's like this is how I work, and now I want my AI to be there. This is one agent working into different folders with the proper context. My Claude Code also has all this access. So yeah, we created this thing in one prompt.